What if math could help you predict the future? How much will your savings grow? How many sales does it take to hit a target? What's the math behind going viral? In Algebra 2, you don't just solve equations, you use them to model real life, track profits, analyze trends, and plan outcomes before they happen. From graphs on a screen to real-world scenarios. The skills you build here show up everywhere. Finance, tech, science, and beyond. With credentialed teachers and A through G approved courses, you're getting a University of California-backed education on your schedule. Ready to solve for X? Discover this course and many more with Scout from University of California. Enroll today.